Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a unicorn. First, let's draw the head and then the mane or the hair, just curves and the horn. Then the ears and a big round eye with sparkles. That's the mouth and the nose. And the rosy cheek, just an oval. Let's go down the chest and the front leg. Let's finish the hair or the mane first. It's gonna be colorful. And that's the third one. You can make more if you want. The body, the rump, down the back leg, and up. Let's finish the front leg, and then draw the tummy. Another pair of legs, back and front, then the hoofs. Next, let's draw the tail, and then the pattern of the tail, the pattern of the horn, and now it's done. We are ready to color. Let's make it colorful. I'm gonna make color pattern for the horn, the mane, and the tail. Pink, blue, then orange or yellow, and after that green and purple. But for the mane, only pink, blue, and yellow or orange because it's only 3. And for the hoofs, I'm using purple and pink for rosy cheeks and the inner ear. For the front part of the head or the face, I'm using salmon or pale pink and dark blue for the eye. Look, it's really nice. It's very pretty, I think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.